Well, hello and welcome back. Thank you for coming back. Today we're in downtown Paphos and we're going to start off at the entrance to the harbour area, and it starts off with this. This is known as the Wood Kiosk, and it's a great place to come and buy souvenirs, drinks, cigarettes, that sort of stuff before you storm the Paphos Harbour, which is that place just over there. Have a look at that. The big boat with the blue lights on, that is the Ocean Vision. That's the big boy in the Paphos Cyprus.com's arsenal, and they've got quite a few boats in their arsenal, that's for sure. So if you want to go on a boat trip, either go online, paphoscycruises.com, or get down to the Paphos Harbour area, and most of the boats are parked up and they are promoting them as you enter the Paphos Harbour area. Have a chat with Sweet Roxanne at night. Major Tom's in control, and you've got a young man with great eyelashes, Mr. Trent, who is in charge in the daytime. Receive Yellow Booth, what have you got?
Hello everybody, how nice to see you again and again. I never forget. Hello everybody.
Hello everybody. Right, stick with us. As we get older, that's all we'll be able to say. Because some of you may understand that we're not actually that young. In fact, we're way too old to be YouTubers. Right, Mr. James, there he is. Mr. Costas is still with us. He'll do a caricature in 5 minutes. And if you want a balloon, that is the Mafia. There she is. She's in charge of the Mafia tonight. Plenty of balloons for sale, different sizes, different fanciness. Very good indeed. So stick with us. Here we go. Let's keep going. We've got a man who's got some sea sponges over here, and he is a great man indeed. There he is. Yes. So he sells all sorts of different array of sea sponges, and they're all the way from Greece, and he's listening to the football. Yes, he's listening to the football. So yeah, absolute star. Prastopoli, great guy. I really like him. He reminds me of my grandfather. He's got that same head of hair and that same smile. Great cheekiness to him. There he is, hairiest man in the whole of Paphos, chatting away. Mr. Yanis, stick with us. Let's keep going. Now, if you want to go on one of these cruises, he's the first guy that's promoting it. He also promotes the Avis Jeep Safari. So stick with us as we continue. The next Gumbaru on our travels, Mr. Rikos, he's in charge of the super jumbo-sized glass-bottom boat. And there it is. There he is. So tonight we're going to advertise this one. This is the lesser version. 15. That's the man in charge. There he is, Mr. Rikos. 15 euros a pop. That one goes out for 90 minutes. You get to go shipwreck watching. You get to go turtle watching. You get to go swimming, and you get to entertained by him. If you want to go to the upmarket one, that's the one over there. 2.5 hours. Costs you a little bit more, but not a lot. And you get 2.5 hours of fun. You get the competitions run by him, and you get to eat, because Captain Hassan and his Gumbaru Hassan are going to feed you. Am I right? Yes. You had a busy day today? Yeah, good. Got another month to go yet, definitely. You're going to make a lot of money. Yeah, definitely. He's a nice guy. So if you see him, that's the boss himself. He always goes out on the boat with you, and he's the one that speaks to you in English, because as you can understand, he speaks perfect English, as do the crew, by the way. But he's the one that entertains you and the littlies, and he's the one that gives them the prizes. Now, talking of Paphos Sea Cruises and the Cruise Mafia, well, there they are. And you've got Mr. Trent, he's here. You're supposed to have gone home. I was just saying you wouldn't be here. There he is, the man with the great eyelashes and the great eyes. You all right?
I'm good, man.
And there is Sweet Roxanne. There she is.
How are you?
So she's just taken over the shift, correct?
Yes.
And you're just lingering around drinking Red Bull.
Now, yeah.
Yes, he's lingering around before he goes back to Wolverhampton. There we are. He's a nice guy. Absolutely. No, he's not. He's staying here. Who are they? Well, I've told you on the way down. They are paphoscycruises.com. Okay, so that's their website. They've got various boats. It's just the big boy is that one, the Ocean Vision. Everyone knows that boat. 75 euros a pop, 39 euros for the littlies, and you get to eat and drink all that you can. Tuesday night, Friday night, Saturday night, boom, fireworks. Am I right? Yes, absolute stuff.
Fabulous.
You're on tomorrow night too, so we'll see you tomorrow night. He's a great guy. He's one of our Gumbarus. Good night. Buenas noches. There we are. Right, the first restaurant on the block. That's that one. That's King's. Now today we did a little hit and run on their hotel. And there you are. There's Bambus. You all right, Bambus? Yep.
Hello.
Good. Hello, hello.
Okay.
There's Mr. Harris. Very good indeed. And you're pretty busy tonight. There's the Gumbar. He's busy. Yeah, don't worry. He's busy, busy, busy. They're all busy, as you can see, which means, oh, there's the man himself. You all right? How you doing? There we are. There's Makis. Great, great guy. Whoa. And there's Mr. Harris himself. We've seen him twice in a day. There we are. You all right?
3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes, exactly, exactly. We've seen him a few times today. We did a little hit and run on his wife's hotel, and he turned up as well, and he witnessed stealing his wife's car. He thought it was completely hilarious. You see the yellow boot?
Yeah. He was appearing after any corner. He was, wherever we were going, he was going the same way.
Yes. He was
thought-
trying to avoid the
I
camera,
thought
if you
it's
understand
kind
me.
of him to
Yes.
me.
Yeah, he's certainly got a few twins in his family, that's for sure. Greatest restaurant on the Harbour area. No introduction required. That is the Pelican restaurant. That's the rear of house, as you can see, that's absolutely packed out. And that's the front of house that's absolutely packed out. You see there?
Your friend, Andrea.
Who? My friend. Ah, he's just gone past. He's just gone past. There we are. He has just gone past over there. That is my man Andreas, who's looking for a strawberry blonde, and he's got to have freckles as well. Stick with us. It's unbelievably busy out here tonight. That's for sure. Our favourite restaurant, where you'll always find us. This one here, the Gelamo. So that's the rear of house, and what you get there is ice creams, and you can sit and have a drink and so forth. You've got the man himself in the back there. That is Mr. Andreas, and you've got one of our Gumbarus there, and then you've got George there as well. You all right? Are you getting a nice draft off the... Yes, exactly. You may think that they're stupid in there, but if you understand, that is an ice cream chiller. So if you stand just there, all the coolness comes out, and you get chilled. I might go in there afterwards. Across there is the restaurant area. Have a look at that. And there's the man himself tonight. He's in charge.
How you doing? You okay?
Mr. Ryan, you alright? There's the restaurant. There's all the Gumbarus. Layla. There he is, Mr. M. Mr. P. Where's Mr. E tonight? Yeah, where is he? Oh, there we are. We don't upset him. We'll be back in a bit. Stick with us. We're now going to go a little bit further. What's he doing? Are you unsubscribing? He's unsubscribing.
No.
He wants to show something.
Yes.
We'll be back. Right. The next one on the block is Sale at the Castle. That's the kitchen and bar area, sports bar. And that is the front of house. A great, great busy restaurant indeed. Last place on the block, Stevie's. There it is. And that's the man himself. There he is. All right?
I owe you, or you owe me. We are equal.
You owe me.
I owe you.
He owes me a lot. You owe me a lot. Right. There we are. Oh, you all right? We're going to have a look, see who they are. Hello. How are you? What's your name?
Maria.
What's your name? Courtney.
Seen you on YouTube.
Have you?
2 weeks. That last time we running around.
There we go. That's good. It was destined to be. We'll come back and see you in a few minutes. All right? Thanks very much. Where are you from? Where are you from?
Birmingham.
Birmingham. There's a few people around here from Birmingham. Have you met him next door but one?
No.
We'll go and get him in a minute. We'll go and get him. Right, stick with us. You're right, Ulala. Scamajubba. Scamajubba. You're right, Ulala. Busy? Yes? Too busy. It is busy. It is busy. It is unbelievably busy out here tonight. That's for sure. It really is busy. Really, really is busy. Stick with us. We'll keep going a little bit further, and then we're going to have a chat with those two ladies, and we're going to take Ryan round with us, because if you're down, Mr. Ryan is from Birmingham. You never know. They may be related. You never, ever know. Let's see the other booth.
You know, I would like to tell you that, first of all, your boat has arrived. But then the little girl is coming out, no, it's not your boat, it's my daddy's boat. You know, that's the boat.
If you go hunting through our videos, I've always referred to this rather nice boat, which is that one's third in, if you can see it there. It's got a big boat, probably worth about €1.5 million. And I've always referred to it as my boat. Unfortunately, the game was given away by a young girl who came running after me and said, "Excuse me, that's not my boat, that's not your boat, it's my daddy's boat." It was absolutely hilarious, and we had a good laugh and chat with her and her mum afterwards, and they were absolute superstars. Anyway, my boat's back, and the little girl's father has told me it can be my boat until next May, and he wants it back again. Coming up, superstars. There we are. That's Simon, his beautiful wife, and the beautiful young daughter. All right, having a good night? Yes, busy? Great, great smiles. She's a happy young lady as well. There we are. There we are. Great, great eyes. Lovely. And he's not doing too bad if you look in there. He's not doing too bad. But if you're coming past and you appreciate what he's doing, why not put your hand in your pocket, get a euro, 2 euros, 5 euros, 10 euros. Why not 20? Drop it in there, and you're going to make sure that that young family eats for the day. Very, very short season. He's made a choice in his life to entertain the people, and we all understand he could make some other choices. Just imagine if you were in an apartment and someone broke into it and stole all your belongings. It's simple. Give him 5, 10, 20 euros, and that probably won't happen. We see the booth.
I would like to tell you that, yes, exactly. It costs nothing to us, but to him it's a huge, huge earning. And if all of us can do such a kindness, this world would be really
much better place.
Much better
exactly.
place.
Now, the last little thing we're going to look at tonight or show you is the Classic Motorcycle Museum. It's the last thing on the block before you get out to the blue Mediterranean Sea. But as you can see, it's a little bit dark out there. So that is the entrance to the Classic Motorcycle Museum. Only 5 euros to go in, or if you're a family, cross his palm with 10 euros and he'll let you in. You all right, Andres?
Hello,
Yeah?
how are you?
Go and get them in. Go and get them in. Right, we'll have a quick walk round and we'll show you some of the sights. There are some true classic bikes in here. I mean, that was one of our favourite bikes. If you go hunting back, I was riding it and Gracevia LaBouffe was dancing in the sidecar. Do you remember that? Yeah?
Yeah.
So we have made some funny videos. So please, on your travels, if you're passing here and you like a motorbike, and I understand that a lot of people do, there are some great motorbikes in here indeed. And the gentleman has a collection of 450. There's one of his prizes that he's won, and he's won quite a few, because him and his son have restored in excess of 450 classic motorcycles. At any one time on show on here is around about 30 to 40, but if you want to go and see the whole museum, it's in Nicosia. Mr. Andreas will tell you how to get there. In fact, he'll drive you there if you cross his hand with a little bit of money, because there's a lot of bikes in there and they've restored them all. Now, we understand they disassembled them and reassembled. Other people have, should we say, done the welding, done the painting, all that kind of stuff. But there's some great bikes. That's an old BSA. Even I remember those. Thanks, Andres. Absolute star, absolute star. 7 days a week, opens early, and as you can see, he's open late. Gracevia?
I would like to tell you many times, thank you very much. The attention of yours is huge to us, and please don't forget to come and see another of our madnesses. We're loving you to bits. And
thanks for watching. Hit the like, click subscribe. Please come back for a little bit more of our madness. Say bye-bye to Andres. Buenas noches, Andres.
bye.
Thank you.